if your toilet is running and you look inside and it has a flush valve that looks like this, where the whole cylinder raises up and down with the handle, there's a seal at the bottom of that. It's not a traditional flapper style. The seal at the bottom of that looks like this, and I'll put a link for this down below, and here's how to replace it. You need to remove the cylinder part that slides up and down. The top of this comes off, so you pull this little fill hose out and unscrew the top of this. This can be kind of stuck on there, so you may need to use one hand to grab a hold of the base and unscrew the top. So we'll remove that. Then you can lift that cylinder off. So you lift it up a little bit and you kind of got to work it off the handle like that. And we'll remove this piece, set it aside. Where the seal goes is down here at the bottom. At the bottom, there's a little groove here, and the seal goes in that groove. So you got to kind of start it in one side and work your way around. Yeah, I had to use both hands to get it down in that groove. There's a little groove that goes all the way around there, and that ring fits in that groove. And then when you slide the tube back over it, the ring will seal up against the bottom of this piece. So we can go ahead and put that piece back on there. And it's going to go on the same way that it came off. So you put that on, and then the handle has to go through that loop like that. And then we can screw the top piece back on. Put the hose back in there and we'll test it. So once you get fill hose back in there, we can go ahead and turn the water back on, and I'll let it fill up. Yeah, I've let it fill back up and it's not running anymore, so that's good. And go ahead and test it out by flushing it. Operated just like it should, so we should be good to go. This is how we replace the seal on the bottom of a flapper that's not a flapper.